For those wanting to utilize ControlPro for inventory or would like to use ControlPro as a way to audit their third-party software and confirm inventory numbers, we have a stores option in the materials component. You will be able to add and track stores. For us to do that, we'll go here to the materials component, hit search, and as you can see here in one of the columns, it has stores. We do not currently have a store for the product, so we're just going to go to one. This is Chem 1, and you can see a tab titled Stores. Click on that. Right now there's nothing on the screen. We hit the plus sign, and this is when we can start to add the stores. For the description store, you want where this product is going to be stored. In this case, we're going to say it's at the north tank. Again, this is just an example. You can put in the description whatever you want. We are going to be doing transaction only. There are ways to set this up to communicate with sensors with transactions. If this is something you want to do, reach out to Murray because there will be some programming that needs to be done for that to happen. So as I was saying at the beginning, we can set up warning and reserve numbers. What the warning does is when we reach this amount, we'll say 5,000 pounds, you'll receive a warning from ControlPro stating that, hey, the tank's at 5,000 pounds, it's getting close to the reserve level. And then the reserve, for this we'll just set it at 1,000 pounds. So that is our warning and our reserve, but we're going to want to add a transaction in here so we actually have some product in this tank. So what we got to do first is save this, and now that it is saved, we can add transactions. As you see here, transaction 0 because we haven't done anything yet. So add transactions, and we have a couple different types we can put here. If it's a deposit, we're correcting the transaction, or it's transfer from one tank to the other. For this, we're just going to say it's a deposit. Description, where it's coming from. We'll say train car, but you can put if it's coming from a truck, wherever that product may be coming from. We'll say that this is going to be 100,000 pounds. Make sure your unit of measure is correct. Hit submit, and now you see transactions 100,000 pounds, but available only going to be 99,000 because when it hits the reserve, it's going to stop. You will not be able to go under that 1,000 pounds. The amount is already auto save, so you don't have to hit save again. As you can see, we've got this listed in the transitions, so that is now set up. So for this chemical, you now have a store set up so that as you run this product, the store will go down and you will be able to run a stores report on this product for your tracking purposes. If you have any questions on material stores or would like some assistance on setting them up, please contact Murray Equipment at 260-480-1340. Thank you.